What that?
This is a chunk of Funkster. Oh, it's got a good sound to it.
Keep dropping my phone. I put a brand new screen protector on it.
And it's only like 2 in the afternoon. All right, so about a month ago, my tax return came in. I got a really good tax guy, so.
Yeah, somehow he just gets mad money every year.
Yeah, I won't next year though. It's because I won't be a student next year, so. But what? Oh yeah, my tax return came in and I spent an afternoon on eBay. Now I've got a full 90s spec Toge looking fucking Chuki S13 body kit going on. I haven't really said much about it on camera, I don't think. You probably don't have to picture it, it'll probably be the thumbnail. But picture this. East Bear front lip on the pig nose, or on the shark nose. Bomex side skirts. Type X rear valances, or rear pods. Bomex Wangan wing kind of thing, like the Bomex style one, I think is what it's called. Whoa.
Whoa, you won't have to imagine it for very long.
Yeah. Basically I just ordered a bunch of eBay fiberglass body panels because I'm gonna break them at the track anyway, so I didn't want to get like, I didn't want to spend a lot of time hunting down real shit.
We keep the reel to the wheels.
Yeah. So I don't have, you know, not everything's painted. We don't really have time to paint everything and buy hardware and like actually put it on all day because I have to go do some shit for school. But
should be able to tape everything up and check it out
and just see how it looks. Probably start painting everything tonight. That's really safe. Just cut towards my dick with a razor blade. I don't need that thing anyway. Literally like just steez biting hard on like old VHS Toge videos. Like saw an S13 that I really liked one time. I was like, I want to do that, and now I'm doing that. So
that's how dreams work.
It is really. These are my favorite front lips for my GoPro. Yeah, let's go.
Back it up, Terry.
Terry, back it up. What are you doing, Terry? Put it in reverse. Oh yeah, here's everything else. So this is my Wingo. These gray things are the rear valances, and then the white things are the, what are they called? Side skirts.
Side squirtles.
Yeah, so this is all just like knockoff bullshit, but what do you expect?
Oh yeah, buddy.
This is gonna be so sick, holy shit. Front lift, this wing, the valances, once it's all together.
Yay.
I'm actually, the side skirts are gonna cover up some body damage, so I'm hyped on that.
Yeah.
It's installed, I'm done. Oh, other big news, dude. Civic. It's been 3 months since the last upload about the Civic. Recently, my brother was like, yo, I'm sick of this thing sitting in my garage, come over. And I was like, okay. We did some troubleshooting. We're like, okay, we know that when we put power to this thing, the engine cranks over. But we also know that it doesn't get fuel. We don't know if it has spark. We're pretty sure it has compression, whatever. So we just sat down, went through everything. So we thought, what if the injectors don't working? My brother made these little node light things that he plugged into the injector plug and checked that the injectors were firing in the right order and everything. So injector plugs were working. We didn't know really if the injectors were working. Tried to salvage some injectors out of a different Honda that he had laying around. Those didn't work. We went through all the steps, checked all the boxes. It's gotta be something we don't know. We're just sitting there totally defeated, about to go home. We'll come back to it tomorrow. Sitting there flicking the keys on and off, just dicking around. My brother's like testing all these different pins on the ECU, and then he stops. He's like, hey, flip that one back on and off. And I'm like, okay, 1 sec. And then he has this little power probe that supplies like power and ground, and it's a multimeter and all that stuff. And he set it to ground, and he's like, turn the key. And I turned the key, fucking whoop, 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 started fucking right up. So the Civic runs. Not even close, dude.
Really?
It's way off.
Oh no. Hold it here, let me see.
Hell yeah.
Shit. It's
well, it is like, if we weren't trying to film, we could probably make this work pretty easy. Maybe I'll just set down the camera. All right, we got it. It actually is just like kind of too small, so it sticks to the car pretty well without any tape or adhesive of any kind.
Yeah, it's like snugged right up.
Yeah. That's what it looks. Well, I guess I'll film from this side because this has all the body stuff on it.
Dude, I feel like some more aggressive balances would have been good though.
Yeah, now that it's all together, I kind of agree. It's so So 90s. Yeah, that rear balance is just kind of hanging off, but pretend it's secured. Such a look, man. Such a vibe.
We gotta get it just like out of here. Okay, since we're in DJ's little parking lot here and we can't really see like the extent of what it's gonna look like, we're gonna drive across the street into that parking lot over there, put everything back on. We took a couple things off and just see how it looks all together. Oh God, it's hot. Fucking hot. Ugh. I'm cooking alive in here. 1,000,000 degrees in here, I'm sure of it. Motherfucker. Oh my God. Fuck these people. My steering wheel is fucking roasting. Oh. Everything is so hot in here. Give me out. Oh, my phone just fell for the 18th time. Num, 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 num.
We should go to like a stance show or something like that, where the body kit is just like resting on the car, and people are like, "Whoa, crazy!"
Falls off. Shut that door. Damn, dude. That shit is tight.
Yeah, I guess I should have known that Bomex side skirts with Bomex balances would have looked good together. Also, that's kind of hanging, like it's not tucked up on the car yet. I'm really happy with the front lip.
Yeah, the front lip is sick.
I thought it was gonna hang down so much lower. I'm glad it doesn't, because I didn't want to raise this car because it's already tall.
You want to lower this car?
I do now. Cool.
Oh, dude, looks so good. I can't wait to get it all on and like fitted.
Like, all on and fitted in the right color and like washed up and stuff. It's gonna look so good.
Dude, the wing is so sick.
Yeah, it's awesome. Like everybody kept telling me to get a B-Wave because everybody doing this like 90s style has a B-Wave wing, and I was like, no, this is the way, dude. This is what I want. I just can't wait till it actually looks good.
Yeah.
Right now it looks pretty good.
It's fake good.
Yeah, it's fake good. Soon it'll be real good. Especially especially with the sunroof up.
Yeah.
Looks cool.
It adds to it.
I guess cheap, shitty eBay body kits are kind of fun sometimes.
Yeah.
But yeah, just search it up. E-Spare front lip, Bomex side skirts, Wangan wing, W-A-N-G-A, like Wangan Midnight, the anime, you know? Type X rear balances, man. Oof.
Come together. That's gonna do it for this video, mostly.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, not a lot going on today. We were just hanging out for a minute. Figured we'd try on my new stuff since my lip finally showed up.
Pretty soon we'll mount it all once we have the stuff to mount it with and such.
Exactly.
And it's painted.
I'll start painting all that stuff tonight. Should be able to get it done tonight. If not, then tomorrow, whatever. Been really busy with school, so I haven't been able to do anything like at all, really. But Civic's coming along, 240's about to be coming along. We wanted to talk about the Patreon because we literally live off of our patrons now. And we sent out a whole bunch of patron packs, like t-shirts, stickers, and all that stuff, like way back, maybe 2 months ago or so. And a lot of people have gotten those, but also we had a short list of people that we couldn't get to because we ran out of merch at the time. We were like, okay, sick. So we'll come back to this, we'll order merch, and then when we have the merch, we'll just do this again, finish up, get all the new people, and then we'll just, every time someone new subscribes, we can just send them some stuff and we'll be caught up and we'll be good. We should not let the people who pay our bills slip our minds. That's like terrible, and we're really sorry about that. So
we're new to this whole thing.
we're new to this, that's for sure. So anyway, my point is, pretty soon I'm gonna be releasing Patreon songs. There's over 100 songs that I have to make. I've made a little over a third of them now. But what I think I'm gonna do is when I hit like 50 of the 110, 120 songs I have to make, I'm gonna post them all up, and I'm gonna keep making them, and I'll try to live stream either on Instagram or YouTube the song making process. They're all just silly, stupid little 30-second song. Again, they should be done by now. Like, I shouldn't have slacked this hard on them, but that's happening. Quentin's getting tattoos soon.
Yeah, so we think we might have Kat do those.
Yeah, probably gonna have Kat stick and poke all of the Patreon name tattoos on Quentin. So we're way behind on that as well. But anyway, our point is we're kicking ourselves in the ass right now, and we're gonna put in an order for merch as soon as possible and get people what they deserve, what we promised them. Again, that's 100% on us, and we're really sorry, and we're trying to make it right.
Just know that if you have been a patron, and if for some reason you decided to not be a patron anymore, obviously you'll still get the stuff that you were promised in the first place. So we're gonna be sending out emails through Patreon, I guess just to everyone.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
And then if you haven't got your stuff, then just let us know and we'll get it to you.
We're trying to get shirt sizes and stuff like that. So basically it would be like, hey, if you haven't gotten your stuff yet, please respond to this email with your shirt size. So that way we can go through and know how much stuff we have to order from Mason for the Patreon merch. And then once we have all that, we can ship it out to you. And that's it.
Pretty much just thank you to everyone who's been a patron, and to everyone who has been and is not anymore a patron. We appreciate you anyways. And if you'd like to become a patron, we invite you to join our Patreon.
If you're unaware, we have probably the craziest list of Patreon incentives. It's honestly a problem. So like, you know, if you pay $20 a month or something like that, you get a sticker, a t-shirt. I'll write a song about you, and your name is mentioned in every video. And I think there's maybe like one other thing.
Yeah, you said that.
I think it said it.
A signed print.
Oh, a signed print of a picture that I took. So like, yeah, you kind of get a lot of shit. I don't know. Yeah, our Patreon's tight, so subscribe if you want.
Just know that if you don't have your stuff right now, you will be getting it.
Yes. That's the point of all of this, is if you don't have it yet, we
sent out a shit ton of stuff though. More than like 80% of the stuff is out, I'm sure.
Yeah, just the postage on that cost a Patreon check.
Yeah. If you didn't know that we had merch available right now, then go check it out. We'll have a link in the description as well as the Patreon, and we'll have more stuff on the store soon. So I think that's gonna do it.
Yeah. So I guess in summation, sorry to everybody who hasn't gotten their stuff yet. Thank you to everybody who is a patron or a subscriber. If you just watch our videos, thank you.
Yeah.
And we're trying to do better for you because we fucked up and we're sorry.
Yeah.
We love
Science out here, motherfuckers.
Bye.
See how high we can bounce it.
BD skate park, drinking in the AM. Drinking in the AM. Drinking in the AM. Stay pulled up, Muds gang gang, amen. Gang gang, amen. Gang gang, amen. BD skate park, drinking in the AM. Stay pulled up, Muds gang gang, amen. Hit the brake and blast the drive. Hit the brake and blast the drive. No speak, no think. I want to say a shout out to Rainier Beer. With the old one, where's the new one? Gary.
Dude, you got some funky wiring going on.